Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a quick install using WESTKISS hair. I'm going to be doing a glueless install. So this is how this unit came. It is a 26 inches 13 by 6 frontal body wave hair. So I've already bleached the knots and washed the hair. So first things first, I'm going to pull my hair into a ponytail and I'm just going to pull it away from my face, and then I'm just going to put on my wig cap. I'm not doing the ball cap method. I want this to be like a super easy install. I did already install this wig prior. I did wear this wig for my baby shower and I did glue that down, but this time I wanted to do like a glueless install and just show you guys how bomb this hair is. The lace was really nice, and the knots on the frontal was very thin, so it was very easy for me to kind of play with this hair and install it. And also curling this hair was super easy as well, which I'm going to show in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and just position my hair where my parts is going to be, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and use my Tresemme spray, and I'm going to use that to basically be an adhesive for my frontal. Like I said, this is a glueless unit, but I do want it to not be able to move, so the best way for me to do that is by using my Tresemme Holding Spray. I think this one is the number 4. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my hairline. After that, I am going to use a black elastic band to lay the hair into position. Once my elastic band is down, I'm gonna spray a little bit more holding spray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay my elastic band once more. And once the elastic band is on, I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair. I wanted to make sure that my part was super duper straight, so I went ahead and just did the part. And then what I'm gonna do next is gonna use my hot comb to lay any flyaways away, and I also use my wax stick as well. As you guys can see, the parting space on this unit is really nice, and it was blending very well, especially because I didn't do a ball cap method. You can't really even see my wig cap at all. I've laid my sideburns and how I want my baby hair to lay, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair a little bit, just one more time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my elastic band back on because I'm gonna now start styling my hair. So I want this unit to be super duper full. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut the hands of this unit because I want it to be super full. If you want your unit to be full, you are gonna cut like a little bit of inches off. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut those ends. There's nothing wrong with them. I personally just want my hair to be full, so I'm gonna cut both sides. After that, I am gonna go ahead and cut some layers into my hair because I do want my hair to look really like voluminous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some layers. As you guys can see, you could kind of see the layers. I wanted it to frame my face and the ends look super good. So now we're just gonna go ahead and start curling this unit. I'm gonna be using my tea tree curling iron. I love this curling iron. It is expensive, but I honestly think it is 100% worth the money. So if you want to splurge on like a good hair tool, I would definitely suggest trying out the T3 curling iron. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start curling this wig, and you guys are gonna see how amazing this hair is. I literally was shook the first time I installed this wig. I was like, this is a really nice wig. And you guys know I've gotten a bunch of wigs from WESTKISS hair and they haven't failed me yet. And I've loved their wigs for a while, so I wasn't expecting anything less from them. So I was very excited to kind of install this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start curling this hair in sections. It was easier for me to do it this way. As you guys know, I'm super tired in my 3rd trimester and I don't want to have to sit down all day curling this hair, but it did go super fast. So I'm definitely grateful because I didn't have to keep curling the hair because this hair holds curls really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl this unit, and I'm also gonna spray my hold-in spray. This is I'm using the Kenra hold-in spray, so I used that to kind of set the curls in, and I didn't really clip it or anything. I just kind of curled it, sprayed the hair, and then let it set. Once I'm done curling my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and style it. Styling it, I just used a comb instead of a brush because I think that it actually just makes it look better when you use a comb. Sometimes the brush can be a little bit too abrasive, and what happens is that it just kind of messes up the curls. You just spent all that time curling your hair, you don't want it to mess up. And some people don't like when you comb out curls. Honestly, I don't want to look like Shirley Temple. Like, if I'm gonna curl my hair, I want to comb it out. I want it to look very like voluminous and bouncy. I don't want it to look like Shirley Temple. So yeah, I'm gonna comb out these curls, definitely will, because I want it to look nice and I want the layers to show and everything, and you guys are gonna see that. I absolutely loved the turnout of this install. It was so pretty. You guys can actually see the curls and see how it looks. Like, this install turned out so good, and for it to be a glueless and it turning out like this, I mean, it just shows you that it's not about, like, it's about having good wig or good hair. You can make anything work with good hair and good lace. And as you guys can see, the hair is giving, you can see the shine. I didn't add any type of silk mist, nothing to it. All I did was curl this hair. I literally showed you guys all the products I used, and this is the result of the hair. Now, like I said, this wig is 26 inches. I did cut it because I wanted it to be, you know, full. You guys see how full it is. Wanted it to be super full, and it just looks so bomb. The layers is given, the color is given, everything is just given. Like, I really loved the turnout of this install. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna link this wig in the description down below. Thank you so much, WESTKISS Hair, for sending me yet another gorgeous unit. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.